What is going on, YouTube? It is Chris with a very important beekeeping tip for you today. Made a huge mistake while making this nuke. Does anybody see it yet? No, not yet. There it is. Yesterday we had a huge rainstorm. Got home from work, I was on the phone, came out here, and the whole nuke was on its side. So if you imagine I just went here and kicked this whole thing over, that's what it looked like. The top box was over, all those frames were out of it, and they were all out of the little pins, so I had to reset all those. All the bees were clustered on this side, because it was on its side, they were up at the top. I didn't see any dead bees in the grass where they were laying. But, I mean, I made this nuke. I'm like, it's only going to sit here for a few days. You can see this one's still a little warped where it was laying on its side. Yeah, it's just going to sit here for a few days. I don't really need to plan where I'm going to set it. Yeah, that was a mistake. So always think about where you're going to put your hive. Even if it's going to be there for a few days till you move it. I mean, don't put it under a dead tree. Don't put it in a windy area. And put a rock on top of it so it doesn't knock over. There's nothing worse than coming home and seeing your hive on its side. So yeah, that might have really helped out yesterday. So keep that in mind, and I'll see you next time.